Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making jerk chicken, y'all. Listen, it's a lot of stuff that goes into this, and some of it you can't really get from the store, so you might have to order it or whatever. But I am gonna show y'all this seasoning right here that you could just get from the store, and you could just put this jerk seasoning on your chicken or whatever you want to put it on and make your chicken just like this, okay? And you can make it just like how I'm finna show y'all how to make it with this sauce, or you can make your own sauce like I'm finna show y'all today. Okay, so it's not complicated, it's just a lot into it. So y'all, let's just get into it. And before we get into it, make sure y'all get y'all cookbooks. They are on Amazon. Right now, that's the only place you can get them, so they are on Amazon. You can search my name, or you can search the title of the book, which is Get Cooking and Keep Cooking, okay? So without further ado, let's get into this jerk chicken. Okay, so I'm gonna show y'all this again. We have 1 onion. Y'all, I don't even know how much garlic, but some garlic, okay? Now, we do have some thyme stems. And I'm gonna go ahead and push the thyme off the stems. Because I really don't want the stems. I don't know how much, y'all. Like I said last time, it doesn't really matter how much. This is all flavor and seasoning. It does not matter how much. Y'all, we got 1 habanero, or you can use a scotch bonnet. I really don't know if I'm gonna put this whole thing in here because the seeds gonna make it super hot. So let me debate real quick. So I decided I was gonna cut it in half and take the seeds out of one and use the seeds in the other one. Green onion, about 2. Parsley, 1 bell pepper, some olive oil, some pepper, and some chicken bouillon. Ooh, that might be too much, but it's okay. So since I accidentally may have put too much, I'm gonna put a little bit more oil just to give it something to work with, y'all. So this is how it's looking right before we blend it, y'all. So yeah, we're gonna put this on our chicken before we do the jerk chicken. Y'all can buy green seasoning, but it's always better when you make it at home, right? But they do have green seasoning at Walmart, I think, and at Kroger, okay? Let's see if I can post a picture right here for y'all so y'all can see. We're gonna pour this green seasoning on here, and if y'all have more left, this green seasoning lasts up for 1 to 2 weeks, y'all, so you can use it for whatever you want. You want to marinate this for at least 24 hours, but that's the max, and the minimum 2 hours, I say. Now y'all, make sure y'all pat dry this chicken. I did pat dry it, so don't worry. We're gonna sit this in this green seasoning, y'all. I'm gonna use all of this because I'm not getting ready to use it for nothing else right now. We're gonna cover this, y'all. We're gonna put this in the refrigerator 24 hours. Okay, so we have our chicken out of the refrigerator, y'all. It has been 24 hours, it's been marinating. All right, y'all, so the first thing we're going to do, we're going to heat up these cinnamon sticks and this nutmeg. We're just going to toast these. We're just going to toast these for a couple minutes, y'all. Literally, I had to order these peppers, y'all, on Amazon because they did not have them in the stores. I'm sure they sell them there, but they was just not there. So if you're going to cook this, make sure y'all cooking it ahead of time, and make sure y'all order everything y'all need to order. Get everything y'all need to get because these spices are essential. All right, y'all. So we have our blender. We have 1 bell pepper, 1 whole onion, about 3 to 4 garlic cloves, We got 2 habaneros, y'all. One of these habaneros, I took the seeds out, and this one, I'm gonna keep the seeds in it. Or y'all can use a Scotch bonnet pepper. We got a little piece of ginger, y'all. I just cut it in 2 pieces, but it's a little piece of ginger. A little piece of carrot. It's cut into 3 pieces, but it's a little piece of carrot. And we have some thyme. We just gonna put this whole thing in there. I'm not about to. Purple onion, y'all. Green onion. Then we have a half of an orange. Half of a lemon. We're gonna strain it because I don't want to get the seeds in there. We got some browning sauce. We got mushroom soy sauce. Now, if you don't have mushroom soy sauce, you can just use soy sauce. A cup of water. Now we're gonna add our spices. Blending. This is our jerk seasoning, y'all. Oh my God. Oh, yes. Okay, y'all, this is what the green seasoning is looking like. Now we're gonna put the jerk sauce on it. Okay, y'all, so we're gonna take the chicken in another bowl. And basically what I'm doing is, y'all, I'm gonna just take this chicken out and put it in this bowl. But I'm gonna keep the green seasoning on it because that's what we want. It's just too much green seasoning in here because I don't want it to overpower my jerk seasoning. So we're just gonna take it out of here. Okay, so we have this bowl all nice and cleaned up. So what you want to do is take the chicken. You want to cut some slices like this. Just like that, y'all. Nothing too crazy, okay? We're going to make sure the seasonings get in there. Okay, so these are leg quarters. Y'all can use whatever kind of chicken you want. We're going to pour this jerk on here. And y'all know what to do. Get it all in there. Get all that good seasoning in there. We're going to let this marinate for about 2 hours. And then you can put it in the oven. Or you can put it on the grill. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to put it on the grill. If you decide you want to put it in the oven, you can preheat your oven to 400 degrees. And put it in the oven for about an hour, hour and a half. Flip it in between. Now y'all see I'm taking the chicken wherever the nooks and crannies are. I'm getting some of that jerk seasoning in there, okay? I almost forgot to tell y'all we have to season it with a little bit of seasoned salt. A little bit of seasoning salt, y'all. A lot of bit of seasoning salt. And some garlic powder. Just gonna mix this in. Yeah, we're just gonna put some of this jerk seasoning on here. Just brush it on there a little bit. But we still got a lot up in the bowl. Not a lot, but we want to make sure we get that jerk on there. And you really don't have to do this, but I just want to make sure I get the jerk on everything, okay? Y'all, y'all. This is how it came out. It looks so good. Don't forget, the grocery list is in the description below. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what else y'all want to cook, what y'all want to see, and what y'all want to learn.
Hit that subscribe button!